Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily recover your Facebook dating profile after you have deleted it. So let's head over to Facebook, then switch on the dating profile. And as you can see, you can easily restore your saved profile, and this will only work if you save your profile before deleting your Facebook dating profile. But unfortunately, if you have completely deleted your Facebook profile, that would be difficult or nearly impossible to get it back. So from here, let's just click on Restore Saved Profile. So Facebook is now restoring our dating profile. Just click on Dismiss. And as you can see, we have now successfully recovered our Facebook dating profile. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily restore your Facebook dating profile after deleting it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!